First of all, a warm welcome to everyone.
बहुत अच्छा
Beyond, before I begin, I have a very quick question for one. Raise your hand if you have done ECG before today. Anyone? Okay. Can a ECG machine can save a patient? No. Uh, can a cardiologist or doctor treat without actual investigations? No. That is right. So who make this diagnosis possible? All of us, all technologists who are assisting the team. Most people think a technologist only sticks electrodes at the chest and presses the start button. But it is not really our job. Absolutely not. We are first person to recognize dangerous heart rhythms, assist in life-saving procedures, support emergency care, perform advanced cardiac investigations, ensure patient safety, and work hand in hand with our doctors and our nurses to save the lives. So today's my topic is beyond the ECG, the role of cardiology technologists in modern patient care. I promise that by the end of this 20-minute slide, you will look at the cardiology technologist with a completely different perspective. So that's our journey beyond the ECG. If your heart skips one beat, will you die? Anyone? No. Can laughing can help your heart? Yes. Laughing reduces stress and can have positive impact on cardiovascular system. Can a fit person have a heart attack? Yes. Fitness lowers risk but does not eliminate it. Is every chest pain a heart attack? As you said, you asked the question. No, it could be a muscular pain, anxiety, lung problem, acidity, but chest pain should never be ignored. Who is cardiology technologist? We are not just an ECG technician. The first responder for cardiac investigations. The eye of the cardiologist before the treatment starts. The guardian of ECG family. A key member of the emergency cardiac team. We may not predict treatment, but we make correct treatment possible. What does a cardiology technologist actually do? So there are several things which I want to show you. We are recording high quality 12 lead perfect ECG at emergencies, at ICUs, in the wards, and in the labs. Whenever there is patient goes sick, we will be there to do a ECG. Besides bedside ECG, we are there for Holter monitoring, record the ECG for 24 hours. After that, analyze the ECGs and give it to my consultant or my senior agent. Treadmill test, assisting in our physician to make the test possible. Cardiac monitor setup, defibrillator, pacemaker assistant while doing the temporary pacemaker. The patient is very sick. At that case, temporary leads are to be placed with our assistant. Cath lab support, ensuring infection control and patient safety. Equipment quality control and calibrating maintaining. Calibration is always be maintained for each and every machine in our lab. Ensuring absolute precision, electrical safety and diagnosed reliability across all clinical cardiology devices. Recognizing critical ECG changes and inform the clinical team. Small technical errors can create a big problems. If you see, there are two slides. One side, the correct ECG placement should be known by our technician technologist who is doing the ECG. On your right side, that is the wrong leads ECG, which we have to understand. So wrong diagnosis, delay in treatment, unnecessary investigations, and patient risk. It means if we put wrong lead placement, it will go to wrong ECG, and wrong clinical decision should be taken at a time. So we must be particular to provide a perfect ECG so that his treatment should be started very quickly. Who is the first person to listen to the heart in the emergency department? That is often it is the cardiology technologist, because the first ECG can reveal a life-threatening condition. A correct ECG recorded within minutes can identify the heart attack, dangerous arrhythmia, complete heart block, ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation, and TDP. This allow treatment to begin immediately. Critical ECG rhythms, every MLT should recognize. First of all, if you see this ECG, I'm not here to give you ECG teaching today. I'm just giving a glimpse of the ECG. This is the correct right pattern of ECG. This is single beat. So this type of ECG must be there, in which we have to identify the waves. There are 3 waves which we have to be clear: P waves, QRS complex, and T wave. And the intervals, that is PR interval, QT interval, and our third interval is, sorry, so these things, 5 things which we should be clear on, every technician must know about this. So this is the only, as soon as the ECG goes, आपके मन में यही बातें आती हैं, ECG दिखाएं, हमें कुछ हुआ है, ECG हमारे पास आता है तो यही क्वेश्चन होता है, सर ये नॉर्मल है? तो नॉर्मल के लिए आप लोग भी आराम से कर सकते हैं। अगर ये ECG पैटर्न आप फॉलो करेंगे तो ये ECG पैटर्न, ये नॉर्मल ECG पैटर्न है जो बहुत आसानी से आपके समझ में आ सकता है। इसमें हमें सबसे पहले बेसलाइन देखना होता है, ECG बेसलाइन, रेगुलर रिदम होना चाहिए, इक्वल इंटरवल्स होने चाहिए बिटवीन 2 हार्ट बीट के बीच में। पहले मैंने आपको सिंगल बीट दिखाया था, कॉम्प्लेक्स दिखाया था, अब ये मल्टीपल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस हैं। इन सब के बीच में जो सेगमेंट इंटरवल्स हैं वो सब इंटरवल, रेगुलर इंटरवल पे आ रहे हैं। दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल साइनस रिदम। एंड नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द इमरजेंसी। अभी तक मैंने आपको ECG, नॉर्मल ECG के बारे में बताया। अब ये है STEMI, जैसे आप बात कर रहे थे हार्ट अटैक होता है, तो हार्ट अटैक में ECG जो हमारी होती है वो चेंज क्या आती है। अगर आप स्लाइड देखेंगे, स्लाइड में आपको नीचे वाली स्लाइड में दिखाई देगा, ये ST एलिवेशन है, और उसके ऊपर वाली साइड में देखेंगे, सबसे पहली जो स्लाइड ऊपर वाली है उसमें देखिए ST एलिवेशन जहाँ मैंने मार्क किया हुआ है वो नॉर्मल सेगमेंट है, और उसके जो नीचे है वो नॉर्मल सेगमेंट कितना अपराइट हो गया है, दैट इज व्हाट कि हम लोगों को ये ECG डिकोड करनी है। सो दैट ये ECG कैसे होती है, इमरजेंसी हार्ट अटैक पैटर्न है, इन्फॉर्म द फिजिशियन इमीडिएटली विदाउट एनी हिच। Severe heart attack caused by complete sudden block of coronary artery, starving the heart muscle of oxygen. Record clean ECG to minimize artifact and notify clinical staff. This ECG, नीचे वाला जो देखेंगे, that is ventricular tachycardia, very understanding the arrhythmia. Dangerous heart rhythm, very fast rhythm from ventriculars, fast wide complex rhythm, a rapid rate originating from the ventriculars without preceding P wave. No P wave is there because वो ventricular chamber अपने आप नहीं उसमें circulate होता है, इसको हम VT कहते हैं। Highly unstable rhythm that may rapidly lead to collapse or sudden cardiac arrest. We must be ready to provide defibrillator shock to the patient without any delay with our immediate calling to our physician. This is a very different one. This is called ventricular fibrillation. Irregular. That earlier beat was, if you see, that was at regular interval. But my next slide is, this is very irregular beat in which there is no, if you move like this, example, अगर आप चलते हैं तो ऐसे ऐसे चलते हैं, लेकिन अगर ऐसे ऐसे चलेंगे इट मीन्स आपका इतना इरेगुलर है वॉक, ये वो वेरिएबल है। इसको हमें बहुत ध्यान से देख के, और इसमें कोई डिले नहीं करना होता, हमें अपने फिजिशियन को सपोर्ट के लिए बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली कॉल करना है विद कंप्लीट हार्ट ब्लॉक है। ये हमारी ECG, इसके 4 वेरिएशन है। फर्स्ट डिग्री AV ब्लॉक है, इसमें PR इंटरवल हमारा देखेंगे, PR इंटरवल धीरे धीरे बढ़ जाता है। अगर मैं अपना माउस जहाँ मेरा आप देखेंगे कर्सर, ये डिफरेंस, ये डिफरेंस, ये डिफरेंस, ये PR इंटरवल है। इन 2 कॉम्प्लेक्स के बीच में ये P और R के बीच में गैप बढ़ा हुआ है, ये फर्स्ट डिग्री ब्लॉक है। ऐसे ही सेकंड डिग्री ब्लॉक, ऐसे ही थर्ड डिग्री ब्लॉक, ये हमारे कार्डियोवास्कुलर CHP हार्ट ब्लॉक है, जो इसी टेक्नीशियन हम लोगों को ECG के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। एट्रियल फिब्रिलेशन, इसमें भी आप देखेंगे ECG में कितना डिफरेंस है। जो ऊपर वाला ECG देखेंगे कि हमारा इंटरवल्स डिफरेंस होता है, इसमें R और R इंटरवल वेरी कर रहा है, यानी जो वेंट्रिकुलर चैम्बर है वो हमारा डिफरेंट वेरी कर रहा है और रेगुलर इंटरवल पे नहीं आ रहा है। सो व्हाट आर द इक्विपमेंट्स हैंडल्ड बाय आवर कार्डियोलॉजी टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट? सो वी आर हैंडलिंग ECG machines, we are handling Holter monitor, treadmill machine, defibrillators, cardiac monitors in the wards, temporary pacemaker leads, hemodynamic system in the cath lab, patient safety before the ECG procedure. ये very बहुत crucial है. Cross check the name and date of birth of the patient on ECG. Explain procedure to ease anxiety. Keep patient covered appropriately. Precise anatomical position. Clean the skin. Sanitize your hands and cables so that there should be no deflection should be get while doing the ECG. So most ECG problems which should be preventable are like this. And I have two slides. On the right side that is clean tracing and the other one is this one. इस तरह का ECG हमें नहीं देना होता है. हमें देने से पेट निकालने से पहले हमें अपने उसकी रॉन्ग लीड प्लेसमेंट देख लेनी चाहिए. कहीं लीड तो गलत प्लेस नहीं है, लूज तो नहीं है, हमने लीड लगा दी लेकिन वो लूज है, कनेक्ट ECG इलेक्ट्रोड पे कनेक्ट नहीं हुई है, या ड्राई इलेक्ट्रोड्स. कहीं इलेक्ट्रोड हटा के देखेंगे कहीं उसके अंदर जेल जो है वो ड्राई तो नहीं है. ये सारी इस तरह की बातें तभी आती हैं. मसल ट्रिमर्स होते हैं, पेशेंट ऐसे होता है तो भी इस तरह की नॉइज आ सकती है. और पेशेंट बात कर रहा है, आप उसकी ECG कर रहे हैं, वो बात कर रहा है और वो शिवरिंग कर रहा है एंड और मूविंग. AC electrical interference and baseline winder should be avoided. So I have some common myths are ECG is just pressing a button. अब तो मैंने इतना बताया जो आपको लग गया और पता लग गया होगा. No, we believe that performing an ECG electrocon requires no technical expertise beyond operating a power switch. But reality is it demands high clinical proficiency, requires rigorous anatomical knowledge, precise electrode lead placements, and proactive quality control to prevent artifacts. Second myth is anyone can record an ECG. Assumption that clinical training is unnecessary and that any untrained individual can produce a diagnostic quality tracing. But reality is training is critical for this diagnostic. I must say an accurate diagnostic grade ECG demands comprehensive clinical training to detect fatal errors and recognize arrhythmias immediately. Thirdly, not the least, cardiology techniques work only in OPD. Misconception that their clinical scope is restricted solely to outpatient departments and routine clinics. No, critical line hospital presence are they operate actively across high-stake zones in OPDs, ICU, wards, emergency rooms, treadmill test, Holter lab, cath lab, Moga lab, and emergency code blue calls whenever they need it. One correct ECG can save a life. A 55-year-old arrived at the clinic complaining of mild chest pain, recognized in the clinical urgency. The medical technologist immediately recorded 12 lead ECG. A STEMI was identified directly from the tracing. The physician was alerted within the seconds, triggering an emergency protocol, and he was shifted to the cath lab in other hospital because that clinic or that hospital doesn't have cath lab. So what happened? Chest pain occurs, ECG taken, STEMI recognized, was shifted to cath lab without wasting time, and patient is safely recovered within time because of the intuition done by technician. So behind every quality ECG is a skilled technologist, a cardiology technology, first technician responder in cardiac emergencies, protector and guardian of diagnostic quality, support system dedicated to patient clinical safety, key member of the multidisciplinary cardiac care team, silent lifesaver, many behind critical cardiac procedures. Behind every accurate diagnosis is a quality ECG. Behind every quality is a ECG, is a skilled cardiology technologist. We do not just recover heartbeats, we save lives. I have to show you some ECGs. Anyone can guess it? The first one. Any difference you see? This is sinus pause. It means it forget, conduction system forget to work. So if you see ECG like this, she should be go to hospital. It need. The second lead, this is first degree heart block. What is the abnormality in this lead? There is one big complex. This is called ventricular ectopic. which this is ventricular trigeminy is going on, this one patient. This is also not a good thing. Last one, अभी तो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं MI patient. तो ECG हमने लिखा. These are abnormal ECGs which I showed you. The ECG was recording not just a strip of paper. It may be the first step that saves someone's mother, father, brother, sister, or child. That is why the work of a cardiologist is not just technical, it is life-saving. And thank you for